Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have hella PR to open, okay? These were actually sent to my old house maybe 2 weeks ago. Hi Chloe! And I just really have never gotten around to opening them, especially during the holidays because that's when I went to go pick them up. So now we're getting around to opening all of these, and some of them are probably going to be holiday themed. So yeah, but let's get into it. I love Lois's products, so I'm excited to see. Sent me their Plump and Pout Duo. I have the shades Rosy Outlook, Pink Marshmallow, Daisy Girl Plumper, and Daisy Girl Lipstick. Since this is a lot of PR and I don't need it all for myself, I am going to be separated into piles of things that I'm going to give away to you guys or to the women's shelter that I always give stuff to, or just to friends and family, and then a pile of stuff that I know that I'll use. I feel like I have so many lip glosses and lip plumpers that I don't necessarily need this. These two are amazing, but I already have so many of Lois's stuff, so I'm going to put this in a pile of things I'm going to give away. All right, moving on. Let's see. Let's do this one. Oh, it's from L'Occitane. Stop, guys. I love L'Occitane so much. Oh my god, and it's everything that I love. Look at this beautiful care package. They sent me their shower oil. This stuff is amazing. If you've heard a lot of good things about this stuff, it's because it's amazing. It makes your skin super soft. It makes the smell on your body last super long. And it just feels so good. I love it. And then also they sent me their hand cream. This is a great hand cream to have on hand. They sent me their cuticle oil, which I do really love this. It keeps my cuticles moisturized and it also smells really good. All of their products just smell like absolute heaven. I will be keeping. I'm gonna have so many boxes to take to the recycle bin, and this is the worst day for me to open them because it's literally started snowing outside. We have 4 inches of snow right now. Oh, this is from Huda. Guys, love Huda. Also, look at this packaging. It is so freaking stunning. All right, let's open her. Stop. Oh my gosh, guys. No, this is actually stunning. Oh, this is her purple. Okay, yeah. This is a little card that she sent. She sent a little Huda Beauty mirror to go with it. She always has the cutest little packaging. And then this, are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Oh! And then she sent a bunch and some little clips for your hair. Love that. Let's open this. Oh my gosh, guys, even the zippers have the Huda name on it. All right, and here we have banana bread, which is what I already use, and I love this one. This is their Easy Bake. And then we have their new Ube Birthday Cake Easy Bake, along with 2 of their blush filters and then 1 of their faux lip fillers. For blushes, I got the shade Strawberry Cream and Ube Cream, and then for the lip filler, I got Ooh Baby. Obviously, I'm keeping all of this stuff. I love Huda. This is going on display for sure. Covergirl one. This is from Covergirl. Oh my god, look, it's a big lip. Wait, this might be going on display too. Kisses. Stop, that's so cool. Guys, I can't even get it open. Yeah, I can't get this open to save my life. And everything is all nicely rolled around. Okay, we're gonna put them all back in here. So this is what it looks like on the inside. I am obsessed with these CoverGirl lip glosses, and now that they're plumpers, I'm probably gonna be obsessed with them even more. I'm obviously not gonna keep all of these colors because I don't need them, and a lot of them are sparkly, and I'm not a big sparkly lip kind of girl. So I will be putting some of these in my giveaway pile. And this is what it also looks like on the inside. It's like a little mirror in there. Super cute, super fun. This one is from Makeup by Mario. All right, he sent over, one is a soft pop plumping blush, and the other one is a soft scope transforming skin enhancer. He sent over a makeup brush. This is their cosmic brush. Oh, this seems really nice. It's from TRESemmé. Look at it, it's a little suitcase. Guys, no, this is insane. Hold on. Oh, and it has like a little zipper right here. Okay, ready? Oh, it's an advent calendar. Yeah, okay, well let's just go ahead and pop all of it open. Number one is a extra hold hairspray. I love this hairspray so much. Two is a little, oh my god, it's a little travel thing for like, with my initials on it. No, they didn't. Okay, 3 is their extra hold hair gel. I also really love that one too. Let's see, 4. Ooh, a good hairbrush. This is from Tangle Teaser. Yes, okay. 5 is their Flawless Curls Mousse. This mousse, bomb. When I tell you it's gonna have your hair holding this with the gel, perfect combo. Oh my gosh, I wanted to try one of these on my hair. It's like a claw clip replacement almost like. So we're going to be definitely utilizing this. Okay, that was 6. 7 is another extra hold. Oh, this is their extra hold mousse. So this one is the Flawless Curls, and then this is just like a regular mousse. Okay, period. 7, 8 is, ooh, Unlocked Soft Matte Lipstick from Hourglass. It's in red. I have that shade already. It's actually so pretty. 9 is TRESemmé's Moisture Rich Shampoo and Conditioner. 10 is these amazing hair ties from the brand Slip. Silk, they're thin and they're really easy to get out of your hair, especially curly hair, so these are a great pickup. 10, 11. 11 is the Keratin Smooth Weightless Silk Serum. Love, and I've never actually used this before. It is a heat protection, frizz control, and intense salon shine. Okay, period. Okay, lastly is 12. And this is their Keratin Repair Restore, their intensive recovery mask. Amazing. That was the best, what's it called? That was the best advent color that I've ever opened. That was so amazing. I loved everything in it. I loved the packaging of this. Props to them. It's from Josie Marin. And they just sent a bunch of their travel size lotions. I will be putting these in my giveaway pile for sure. Lower City does have some fire stuff. Ooh, This is their Cloudberry Bright collection. This is what it looks like. They sent their Essence Toner, their Bright Moisture Cream, and then their Bright Moisture, oh, and then they sent like a refillable pot. I don't even know how many packages there were. I got this hair care package from the brand, I think you pronounce it Natures. Ooh, wait, what is this? It looks like a little record player. Oh my gosh, they sent over a perfume. Oh, hold on. Packaging, beautiful. I love like how skinny and sleek that is. Hopefully it smells good, please. It's not my favorite. It's not my favorite. I'm more of a vanilla warm scent girl. This is very floral, and they sent over their waterproof liner. Some cute lip gloss. I have 2 packages from Haus Labs. One of them I do know what it is because they accidentally sent one of my work things for them over to my old house. Oh, okay. Well, this one I can't share with you guys because it is a secret, but just know that this product is amazing and you guys are going to love it. Let's see what this other one is. Glosses and like this little holiday thing, like ornament. Love. Oh, I love when they send bows because I can use them for my hair. And I don't have a red one. I don't know what this brand is. Oh, this is Marc Anthony's. Okay. They sent over their Grow Long Serum. I've never heard of this and never used it. This is what it looks like. And then they sent over 2 of these pink scalp scrubbers. Love. Oh, this is from, ooh. All right, this package is from Coco Kind. They sent over their Highlight and Glow Duo, and then they sent over their Super Serums with chlorophyll, vitamin C, and their ceramide barrier serum. Serum. Let's get into these big boys. This is from Black Girl Sunscreen. I didn't even know that they had makeup. Wait, what? Oh my god, that perfume is lingering. Oh, I think this is a candle. Harlem Candle. It's so pretty. And then they sent over 3 of their Make It Pop Sun Gloss shades. Oh, and these also have SPF 50 in them. Lip glosses with SPF in them and 50. Sold me. And these colors for me, for my skin, period. 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 You got me there. You got me there. All right, that's sold me. My downstairs neighbors are gonna be so mad at me. Stop. Guys, these are wine glasses. Guys. Oh, and they sent 2. Oh my gosh, that is so stinking cute. I'm gonna cry. Package from L'Occitane. There's so much in here. Oh, what is this? Oh my god, it's like a variety pack of their hand lotions. Sure is. Sure is. Look at that. Box in here. My goodness. Stop. This is my favorite hand cream ever. My favorite hand cream ever. And they sent it in both sizes. They also sent a full size of their bar soap. Might keep because it smells good. And then this is their foot cream. Cute. Oh, there's one more thing. Oh, there's two more things in here. Oh my gosh. Oh. What is this? It's lotion and it's, yeah. Yep. Lastly is another kit of lotion and then like a bar of soap. I've gotten PR from Makeup by Mario, but this is my first like PR. You know what I mean? So cool. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hold on. This is the new Super Shine Lip Gloss. This is insane. Oh, I've never heard of this brand before. Okay. Brand Being for all hair types. Okay, period. Oh, cool. Oh my god. Wait. Wait. Guys. These bottles are massive. These bottles are massive. What? Like little, like they're like it's oh, okay. Oh my god, look, it's literally like little velvet bags of goodies. Okay, all right, I'm gonna open the blue one first. Hope. This is their Smooth Glow Multitasking Moisturizer. I've never actually tried Philosophy's moisturizer, so I kind of want to try that. Cute. And the dust bags. Like, are you kidding, guys? Oh, then they sent over a gift package. On here, affirming a lotion and then a perfume. Okay. Then they sent over another package of, these are all shower gels. And there's still a big box in here. They're all mixed around, but I'll put them back in place. That perfume, it looks like I'm gonna love it. They sent full sizes of some of the body washes that were in that travel pit, that were in that gift set. 2 perfumes, and then this is a cream, which it says it's a warm cashmere. I might like that, and then it's in here. And then they sent a little makeup headband. Oh my gosh, wait. Yeah. Okay, all right, you guys, and that is the end of my Pure Package haul. Okay, so many great things that were sent to me. I'm so grateful. Thank you to literally every single one of these brands. I can't express my gratitude enough to them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!